All right, I wanted to make a quick video about eye positions because I see this a lot in Facebook groups. So when your character, animal, whatever it is, when you have eyes, a lot of people tend to put them directly in the middle of the eyeballs, but that actually doesn't really look right. It may look right at first glance. Well, not for me at first glance, but if you're not aware of it, it might just look fine. But what you should always do is you should always bring the eyes a little bit closer to each other. So this is one of the reasons why I always do everything on separate layers, because you always want to be able to just tweak and make sure things like this are fixable in the quickest and most easy way possible. So when you bring the eyes in a little bit, then it looks like it's looking to camera. So this is what it looks like when you put the eyes in the middle. This is when they're closer to each other. It just looks more like it's more engaging. The character will look like it's looking to camera. So it's just something to be aware of, because I see a lot of people doing it when they draw art, even when you're doing portraits where you're tracing the face, you can still cheat the eyes in a little bit. Even if the person's eyes, they may look like this. My eyes kind of look like this. But if I was doing a drawing of myself, I would move the eyes in a little bit, because it just looks cleaner and it looks more engaging, and it looks like it's looking towards the camera. So I just wanted to show you that little trick, because it'll make all your art look better. And yeah, happy drawing, y'all. So thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I wanted to tell you about my Skillshare classes. I'm teaching 2 classes right now on Skillshare. It's a lot more in depth than the tutorials here on YouTube. One is about drawing animals, the basics of character design. The other one is about tracing. So a lot of people are doing this minimalist tracing where the eyes and the nose and the mouth are missing. It's a thing because people are doing it, but it's not really a thing. So I want to show you how to do line work, how to be confident with your lines, how to draw them better, so your portraits will be really, really cool, and they'll have the anatomy that humans have. So anyway, thanks again. I really appreciate it. Be sure to use my link. You get 2 weeks free, so you can take my classes for free. All right. As always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.